Welcome to ETH Daily, a daily briefing on the latest in Ethereum. Here's your latest for Tuesday, October 28th, 2025. Fusaka activates on the Hoodi testnet. Cisc achieves real-time proving. ENS introduces new apps for users and developers. And Base plans to double its block gas limit. All this and more starts right now. The Fusaka upgrade has successfully activated on the Hoodi testnet, marking the third and final testnet to complete the upgrade. The milestone sets the stage for Fusaka on Ethereum mainnet, currently scheduled to occur on December 3rd, 2025 at 21:49 UTC. The Fusaka upgrade introduces 12 Ethereum improvement proposals that improve scalability, performance, and user experience. The upgrade's headliner feature is PeerDAS, a standard that brings higher blob throughput, significantly reducing Layer 2 transaction costs and enhancing scalability. After Fusaka, blob parameter-only forks are scheduled to gradually and automatically raise blob limits. Fusaka-ready client releases for Ethereum mainnet are expected from all clients by November 3rd. Cisc, a high-performance, zero-knowledge virtual machine stack designed for low-latency proof generation, reached a major milestone of achieving real-time proving of Ethereum Layer 1 blocks. The achievement comes with the release of Cisc version 0.13, which enables continuous ZK proof generation with an average proof time of about 7.5 seconds using a cluster of 24 NVIDIA RTX 5090 GPUs. Cisc leverages a distributed proof generation mechanism where multiple workers cooperate as a unified system to construct each ZK proof. The system minimizes proof latency and maximizes throughput. Cisc is an open-source project that is independently led by Jordi Baylina. Ethereum Name Service, the leading protocol for turning complex blockchain addresses into human-readable names, introduced two new applications, the ENS app and the ENS Explorer. The ENS app will be a revamp of its domain register and manager. The ENS Explorer, built for developers, will provide advanced ownership management, custom resolvers, data transparency, and detailed historical records. Both applications will launch alongside ENS v2, a major protocol upgrade that introduces a new registry, updated smart contracts, and the name chain Layer 2 network focused on identity. Users can sign up to participate in an upcoming user testing during DevConnect in Buenos Aires. And lastly, Base announced plans to double the block gas limit on Base chain from 75 to 150 megagas per second by the end of 2025. As part of its broader scaling roadmap targeting 400 to 500 megagas per second by early 2026. The Layer 2 is shifting focus from scaling the gas target to scaling the gas limit to safely increase capacity while maintaining sub-second transaction fees. Base highlighted client execution speed as its major current bottleneck and has managed to migrate from Geth to the Reth client. The network has already achieved its first block sequenced by Reth. In other news, SharpLink Gaming announces plans to deploy $200 million from its treasury on Linea. 3Chain releases the launch timeline for its under-collateralized lending protocol, and the Ethereum Summer of Protocol Teams launches the Bridge Atlas podcast. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io.